Just look at this. It's absolute devastation over here. Like right by my feet.
So Maize has come in from Richards Bay Baptists. The muscles are working overtime here.
So we have a group from Churchland that came to collect about 100 food buses. Down at Umbilo at the Worship Center Church, delivering some food here to refugee community.
Okay, so we're back at Hope City Warehouse, loading food parcels in Maize that's bound for KZN. There's a lot here.
He wants me to like...
I got you.
We are thank you to cast to bring some stuff for KZN people. I mean, when on the draft, rainy, fall, everything was not so good. People were suffering, especially in the area where we are. We are thank you very much, Casti, because you help us a lot to give some other whatever you got to give them to be happy at this moment, because they need help on this time. Thank you very much. Help Casti. Help Casti.